Hi everyone, I will be simplifying the equation 2x to the fourth y to the negative third multiplied by negative 1. I have my married name on there, so it is actually the T that I will be doing for Trahan. Okay, so how do we start this equation? From the book, it says a factor with a negative exponent becomes the same factor with a positive exponent if it is moved across the fraction bar from denominator or vice versa. So we start with just distributing the exponent to all parts. So we're taking that -1 exponent and multiplying that by the 2, and you get a half for that. And then you take that -1 and multiply it with the x to the fourth power, and that'll just be 1 over the x to the fourth power. And then for y to the negative third, with the multiplying two negatives, you come out with a positive, which is why you get y to the third. And after we distribute, we simplify. And since y to the third has no denominator, it would be on the top of the fraction. And for the ones for the fractions, the half and the 1 over the x to the fourth power, they will cancel themselves out. So it just leaves the 2 with the x to the fourth power. And so the answer to simplifying 2x to the fourth power, y to the negative third power, all of that multiplied by -1 power, is y to the third power divided by 2x to the fourth power.